Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video, I would like to show you just how easy it is to make homemade lavender linen spray. There are a few supplies that you will need. Some isopropyl alcohol, I use 91%, but you can use any grade. Distilled water, lavender essential oil, a glass spray bottle, liquid measuring cup, a funnel, a kitchen scale if you want exact measurements, and some labels that you can download for free. When you have all your supplies ready, if you're using a kitchen scale, the first thing you'll want to do, of course, is turn it on. Then you'll select your unit of measure, ounces or fluid ounces. And then when you put your measuring cup on the scale, you'll want to zero that out so it doesn't take the weight of the cup into account when it's weighing your liquids. And then you're going to pour out 1 ounce of isopropyl alcohol. Once you have your 1 ounce of alcohol measured out, you'll take your funnel and pour the alcohol into your clean glass spray bottle. And next you're ready to add your essential oil. For this 4-ounce bottle, I added approximately 20 drops of lavender essential oil. If you're making a large batch, you could certainly measure out that oil, but it's really such a small amount, it's kind of hard to measure. All right, once you have the alcohol and the essential oil in your glass spray bottle, you'll want to put the lid back on it and then give it a gentle shake. Once you shake it up just to mix the two ingredients, you want to leave it sit for a minimum of 10 minutes to an hour. This will give the alcohol time to work with the essential oil to make sure that it's a soluble ingredient when you add the water. Next, you'll want to add your distilled water. You can measure this out, or you can simply use your funnel and fill up your spray bottle until it reaches maybe the bottom of the ring there. Just give room so you can shake the liquid. Once you've added the water, just put the lid on your spray bottle and give it a gentle shake. You may notice some cloudiness, but that is totally normal. Your lavender linen spray is now ready to use. You can download this free set of printable lavender linen spray labels on the Ideas for the Home by Canary blog, so be sure to hop over there and download these labels. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like it below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hop over to the Birch Cottage blog and subscribe to my newsletter. Thank you so much.